What's up, y'all? Today we are working on the miter saw station. We're going to install the spindle sander, a drill press, and we're going to also put the top on it. I plan on using this for about 4 or 5 weeks and trying to determine on where we want the drawers in it and if we even going to put doors on it or shelves. Uh, Trying to organize the shop a little bit. So if y'all want to see how that turns out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so we can let y'all know when a video comes out. With that being said, let's get into it. So this miter saw station costed me two 12-foot 2x4s and one sheet of birch plywood, and all the rest of it was made from scrap materials that I've got and some old shipping containers that I took apart that I actually made for the frame of it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I've got a really small shop, so I've tried to be a little creative on how to place everything so I can get the most for the space that I got. But this is one good example of how you can fit a lot of stuff in a miter saw station in a small area and it kind of work for you. We're going to use this for maybe 4, 5, 6 weeks and see how it works out for us. And I don't think we'll have to make any major changes. The thing that I'm going to have to figure out is where to put the drawers and how many drawers. There probably won't be any doors. We are going to have a few shelves right down there on these last two sections that I'm going to keep some scrap wood, and that's just trying to keep down from this clutter over here on the lumber racks and in the corner of the room. So if y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the improvements that we make on it and see some other build videos, if y'all will hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell out to the side, and we'll let y'all know just as soon as we get some new videos out. Thank y'all for watching.